Hello guys, we have here our robot vacuum, and in this video we want to explain to you how to clean the roller brush that we find on the bottom of this type of robot vacuum. So you see here the roller brushes, they usually really quickly fill up with long hair, in case you do have a person in your household that has long hair. So this will usually get really clogged really quickly. So the first thing we have to do is remove the roller brush, and we do this in this case here by just pressing on these little plastic tabs that we see on the side, on the upper corner, on the upper edge. So we press on both, and then we can lift up this plastic bracket. And once we remove that, then we have already access here to the roller brush, and this is really easy to lift out. You can see here you can lift this out on the right side first, and then it also detaches on the left side. You should take a look at the corners here on the sides. So you see here how they are different. Here on the left side, this is just this little square that goes into this little hole here. On the right side, it looks a little bit different. So we have to make sure when we later on reinstall the roller brush that we put it in the same orientation. Okay, so now you see here this is really full with dirt, and especially with hair. So the hair prevents the roller brush from really working properly. So now there is a little trick that this robot vacuum comes with. And we find this when we turn it around and we just open up the lid here on the top. And in there, here we find this little tool here where it says mind the blade. So this little blade here, that helps us immensely with the process of cleaning the roller brush. You see this blade, we're just going to take this and we're going to slide down into one of the grooves here of the roller brush. That helps us really easily to cut through all of that hair. So we're going to go down all the way one time, all the way through. So making sure that we're not cutting ourselves by accident, but in general this tool is really safe to use. So once we've done that, once we've cut through the entire length, then we can pretty easily remove the majority of the hair. So in case there's some areas left where we haven't cut through all the hair, then we can try to cut it through one more time. And then usually we just have here the ends that are really kind of difficult to get to with that cutting tool. So in case you're having the same problem, then I'm just going to use here my pocket knife. So this pocket knife, then that allows us really easy to cut through the rest. And then within a few seconds, we should have also removed the majority of the hair on the ends of the roller brush. Okay, so once we've done that on both ends of the roller brush, then we can also use the this little blade tool to swipe out the remaining dust and those little dust bunnies that are kind of stuck in the bristles or in the brush here. So you can use that tool relatively easily to scrape out that dust. And then here we have all of the hair and dust that we removed from the roller brush. And at this point we can put the this blade or this tool back into the robot vacuum so we don't lose it. We have it available the next time we want to clean the roller brush. And now it's already time to reinsert and to reinstall the roller brush. So as I mentioned before, you have to make sure to remember which orientation the roller brush fits into the robot. You see here this way is the correct way, that works really easily. But in case you're accidentally doing it the wrong orientation, then you probably won't be even able to install the roller brush. It will just not fit. So when you do it the right way, it instantaneously goes in correctly. And then all we have to do at this point is reinstall here this cover. So we have to make sure that we're holding it the correct way. And then there's these little noses, noses here on the bottom of that frame piece. And those noses slide in first here on the bottom. And then all we have to do is press down on the top end, and this should click in position, then immediately be secured. And we're going to check that the frame really holds in place by pulling on it a little bit. And now we are already done, and that was already it for the video. I hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.